Do you believe? A new friend right here. It was taken home today. Not sure how much it weighs. So that's what we're gonna find out. You said it weighs, how much you think?
Like 50?
Alright, like 50. Is that with the dirt or without it?
With the dirt.
Alright, well I'm taking the dirt off, so
Uh-oh.
let's see.
49.999.
And it's a little, as you can kind of see, I have a little, it's higher up, so that's going to be maybe a little easier. But I have all this other gungazza. Not really sure what gungazza means, but it sounds pretty Italian. Alright, let's see what we got here. Whew. Oh, maybe 50, yeah. I love this shit. Yeah, this is probably 45, 50. Woo! Yeah, come on. What's up, Gas Man? Yes, my dog's name is Gas Truck. Scale ready here. I'll try not to drop it on there. All right, let's see what we got. Do, do, do. 64.0. Yeah. All right, now what we do here, just because we do it twice, so we're gonna cut and then we're gonna reboot.